Indication: fertility assessment, first step, infection. Fertility, count X, volume X, motility X, morphology. Sample collection, in a private room near the laboratory, temperature and time, 2-7 days of sexual abstinence. Clear written and spoken instructions, data, name, birth date and personal code number. The period of abstinence, the date and time of collection, the completeness of the sample. Sample collection. By masturbation and ejaculated into a clean, wide-mouthed container made of glass or plastic, kept at T, 37 degrees Celsius, labeled with the man's name and identification number, and the date and time of collection. Note: condom? Coitus interruptus. In the first 5 minutes, placing the specimen container on the bench or in an incubator, 37 degrees Celsius, for liquefaction. Between 30 and 60 minutes, and 60 minutes, assessing liquefaction and appearance of the semen. Measuring semen volume. Measuring semen pH if required. Preparing a wet preparation for assessing microscopic appearance, sperm motility, and the dilution required for assessing sperm number. Between 30 and 60 minutes, count, assessing sperm vitality if the percentage of motile cells is low. Making semen smears for assessing sperm morphology. Making semen dilutions for assessing sperm concentration. Assessing sperm number. Assessing peroxidase positive cells if round cells are present. Liquefaction. Semen is typically a semi-solid coagulated mass within a few minutes at room temperature. The semen usually begins to liquefy, become thinner, at which time a heterogeneous mixture of lumps will be seen in the fluid. If complete liquefaction does not occur within 60 minutes, this should be recorded. Increment liquefaction, microscopic. If no liquefaction, semen volume, by weighing the sample, measured directly, 0.1 milliliters accuracy, lower reference limit 1.5 ml. pH, measured after liquefaction. Viscosity after liquefaction. The viscosity of the sample can be estimated by gently aspirating it into a wide bore, approximately 1.5 millimeters diameter, plastic disposable pipette, allowing the semen to drop by gravity and observing the length of any thread. A normal sample leaves the pipette in small discrete drops. If viscosity is abnormal, the drop will form a thread more than 2 centimeters long. pH paper. Reference values lower threshold value, 7.2. Sperm motility. Progressive motility, PR. Spermatozoa moving actively, either linearly or in a large circle, regardless of speed. Non-progressive motility, NP, all other patterns of motility with an absence of progression, for example swimming in small circles, or when only a flagellar beat can be observed. Immotility, in, no movement. Progressive motility, rapidly progressive, 25 microcentimeters per second, spermatozoa moving actively, either linearly or in a large circle, covering a distance, from the starting point to the end point, of at least 25 microcm, or 1/2 tail length, in 1 second. Slowly progressive, less than 25 microcentimeters per second, spermatozoa moving actively, either linearly or in a large circle, covering a distance, from the starting point to the end point, of less than 25 microcm, less than 1/2 tail length, in 1 second. Sperm motility. Estimated count percent, dilution. Lower reference limit. For total motility, PR plus NP is 40%. For progressive motility, PR is 32%. Sperm vitality. Important for samples with less than about 40% progressively motile spermatozoa. Eosin minus necrosin stained minus stained, red or dark pink, equals dead minus unstained, white or light pink, equals vital, lower reference limit minus vital equals 58%. Vitality? Sperm count, total sperm number, sperm concentration, improved Neubauer hemocytometer, wash blank DW-L-shaped calculate. Improved Neubauer hemocytometer. Sperm count. The lower reference limit for sperm concentration, 15 times 106 milliliters. Lower reference limit for total sperm number, 39 times 106 ejaculate. Azoospermia, ask for a new sample, confirm complete sample, centrifuge, motility will be lost. Examine well, give time. Sperm morphology. Preparation of semen smears. Staining paprika allowed if quick stain. Normal sperm morphology. Preparation of semen smears. Staining paprika allowed if quick stain. Normal sperm morphology. The head should be smooth, regularly contoured and generally oval in shape. Well-defined acrosomal region comprising 40–70% of the head. The acrosomal region should contain no large vacuoles, and not more than 2 small vacuoles. The midpiece should be slender, regular and about the same length as the sperm head. The major axis of the midpiece should be aligned with the major axis of the sperm head. The tail should have a uniform caliber along its length. Lower reference limit for normal forms is 4%. Assessment of leukocytes in semen. Staining cellular peroxidase using orthodiluidine. Peroxidase minus positive equals granulocyte. Brown color minus peroxidase minus negative equals round cell, pale in color. Peroxidase. RR of peroxidase. RR of PMNL, no RR, 1 million PMNL/milliliters.